We have an ever-growing list of suppliers giving you full access to their catalogues of products on demand. Once you have found a catalogue you're interested in, you can view all of their products to make sure they have what you need. You are then able to request access to use any of their products in your quotes. If you already have an account, enter your account number and email address and the supplier will give you access. You may need a prior account to request access from a supplier. If this is the case, they will direct you to their website to apply for an account. Once you have an account, return to this page and enter your details to request access. You can easily see what type of catalogue is available with the tags, trade or list prices, an imported list of products or live link which gives you real-time price updates daily so your quotes are always accurate.